What's up, guys? I'm doing a lug stud replacement on a 2000 Honda Accord. I haven't seen any videos of this, so I'm putting this video on there since I had to replace one of my son's car. I'm already into it. Obviously, you can see took the tire off, took the brake caliper off. I want to show you, man. I've seen other guys who they had to cut this dust shield here, man. You know, I didn't want to run into that problem. Well, I hate that I was going to have to run into that problem, so I'm thankful that, man, it's got a nice cutout right here where you can, here's the old one where you can fit the whole thing in there. I just knocked this out with a hammer like this. You know, just a mallet here. And this is the old one, tore off. Well, here's the new one. And man, it's nice. You can fit the whole thing in here. I still hadn't seen one like this. You know, most guys are shaving the head of it off here. But thankfully, man, I don't have to do that. And, but you do want to make sure that the splines are lined up right here. So I'm going to try to knock this through here. Let's see if I can keep it straight. I'm not getting to be able to get a good swing on it. It's coming through now. It's almost in there. I think it is in. Anyway, alright, man. I'm going to put everything back on. Thanks for watching, though. It's starting to rain, so we got to go.